Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this channel, we'll be learning how to thread and use the sewing machine. So let's start by putting our bobbin in our bobbin position, our bobbin and bobbin casing in their position. So this is the bobbin case and this is the bobbin. This is, you put it inside, then this thread goes into this hole, then it will come like this. So this thread now comes like this. So I've gone ahead and insert my bobbin into my bobbin casing. So I'm going to insert it like this. You dip your hand from under and you insert, like you hear one sound now. That's the sound. Then you slide the plates. So you're going to put your thread on the thread holder and pick a thread. Then wash me. Then you go like this. Then the thread goes into this part. The thread goes like this. Then goes into the tension, just like this. Then you put it like this. Then you insert it into your take up level like this. Then you thread your do like this. So you insert your clothes and drop the take up lever like this. Then you start with the hand wheel. Then you control it with your leg under. Then you continue with your leg. Then you start stitching. Let's see. You can continue with your hand first. Then you continue like that, like that, like that, like that. So now to reverse, you take the stitch regulator up, 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 up. So you see. So now let's see what our stitch looks like. This is the gather stitch. This is 8. This is 12. See how tiny this one looks. See how tiny they look. That's 12 and 20. Then this is the reverse. This is the reverse and gather stitch. So I hope you've learned something today. If there's anything you want me to make a video about, kindly drop it in the comment box. Like this video, share this video and comment. Till I see you next time, bye for now.